Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a fall pork stew, or an autumn pork stew, I think is what I called it. It is so delicious. We ate all of this up, so I don't even have a video of us eating it after. We all liked it. It is made with pork loin, like a lean pork loin. It's made with white sweet potatoes and carrots. So kind of like a beef stew, but with a chicken stock base and with the pork instead. So it's not quite as heavy as a beef stew can be. I actually like this better than beef stew, but you know, it's up to your personal choices. It's super simple to put together. It doesn't take a super long time. It's under an hour. Most stews take a bit of time to cook. I want to say it took me about 45 minutes maybe total. Most of that is non-active cooking time. You're just letting it actually cook. And the peeling and chopping didn't take too long either. So I hope that you guys like this one as much as we do. So without much more chatter, let's get cooking.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Take this slow, we've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than